Topping tonight's national headlines, the Supreme Court ruling to uphold regulations set by the Biden administration on ghost guns.
That decision clearing the way for serial numbers, background checks, and age verification requirements to buy ghost gun kits online. NBC's Gary Grumbach has the details.
The Supreme Court this morning deciding 7-2 that ghost gun kits can be regulated under the Federal Gun Control Act, saying the court had, quote, no trouble rejecting the arguments made by the kit seller challengers. Now, this stems from a regulation that was put in place by the ATF that considered ghost gun kits to be classified just like any other gun. The government said these kits, which can be put together in 30 minutes or less, really, were a firearm under the Gun Control Act. Now, the kit sellers, on the other hand, said a kit of 5 or 6 or 7 pieces is not a weapon in itself. But in the majority opinion, Gorsuch wrote that the law embraces and thus permits the ATF to regulate some parts of weapon parts kits. Now, something the justices made clear in their opinion is that this does not have any real broader impact here. It doesn't mean that just because they decided this, that they're also deciding that an AR-15, for example, is a machine gun. This is specifically related to ghost guns. Now, Justices Alito and Thomas dissented, and Justice Thomas wrote, quote, Congress could have authorized ATF to regulate any part of a firearm or any object readily convertible into one, but it did not. Now, he's saying their decision invites unforeseeable consequences in the future. And it's important to note this case had nothing to do with the Second Amendment, but was just purely about whether the ATF went too far when it issued the rule subjecting ghost guns to those same requirements as commercial firearms. The Supreme Court said it did not. Back to you.